I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace alternator in Honda Pilot Full Guide. Start by parking on level ground and engaging the parking brake, then disconnect the battery negative terminal to avoid electrical hazards. Lay out tools in order so each step flows smoothly, including a socket set, wrenches, and a serpentine belt tool. Keep a container for bolts and label parts as you remove them to simplify reassembly later. Begin by relieving tension on the serpentine belt with the proper tool, then slide the belt off the alternator pulley and set it aside safely. Carefully unplug electrical connectors and note their positions, then support the alternator while removing mounting bolts so it doesn't fall. If brackets or covers block access, remove them methodically and keep hardware organized. Lift the alternator straight out without twisting to avoid damaging wiring or surrounding components. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like so we can keep making practical car repair content you can trust. Quick recommendation: consider the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum for keeping your garage and workspace tidy with voice control, which saves time between jobs and keeps debris out of delicate components. Check the description for the link and special deals. Then now let's get back to the video. Place the new alternator in position and hand thread the mounting bolts to confirm alignment, then snug them evenly before final torquing. Reattach electrical connectors securely and verify tightness, ensuring good contact for charging performance. Reinstall the serpentine belt with correct tension, reconnect the battery negative terminal, and start the engine to check charging voltage and noise. Verify the alternator charges correctly, and take a short test drive to confirm everything is functioning well.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.